Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. If we look carefully about the conditions, b is smaller than a. So if I put b go in here, and we see that a minus b is greater than number 0, that means this one is about positive. Now, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to the square root of a plus b over a minus b tan t. Because if I put this one go in here, you got about a plus b over a minus b tan t square. A minus b simplified by a minus b. A plus b simplified, a plus b with a plus b, we can do about factorization. 1 plus tan t square, you got about secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. We do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about the square root of a plus b over a minus b secant of t square dt. So about s square, we put this one go in here. ds we change by this one. Now we need to simplify. This one we have a plus b over a minus b, and we have tan t square. A minus b we cancel. A plus b we can do about factorization. This one you got about secant of t square. Now we need to simplify secant of t square on numerator and denominator. We know that a plus b, that is about the square root of a plus b square. Now we need to simplify the square root a plus b on numerator and denominator. And now this one I will put in the denominator. This one multiplied by this one, so we have a square minus b square. The integration of dt, you got about t over the square root of a square minus b square, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by this one in here. And we have the square root of a minus b over a plus b. And we have s in here. So we have tan t. And then we can find the value of t equals to arctan of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.